Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, Matrix is sitting there looking, and also she looking at me, calm and relaxed, and also I provided her some water after I cleaned up the back of the step. So I did the best way I could. I just okay, so as you can see, I cleaned the back of the step, and I was very careful with the pesticide, the, and also the repellents and all that. So as you can see, no leaves anymore. And also I put some animal repellent right there by the step because the possum likes to hide there at night. So that possum will no longer be a nuisance for me. Or we should call Rover, of course. It looks like he wants to have a sandwich. Rover want a sandwich? I hate those things. But anyway, I'm just being silly, y'all. But yeah, I did okay. And surprisingly, I didn't disturb the kitties and the mama. So I'm glad of it. And as you can see, Matrix is a little bit more calm and relaxed now. And her babies have been sleeping pretty much all throughout the day. During the time when I was cleaning up the back of the porch, she's beginning to get used to me now. And hopefully she'll be able to take advantage of that water that I provided for her. So now I have to worry about mosquitoes or anything like that, and until I can come back here and do some work whenever it's needed. Well, last year I just decided to not do anything. I just didn't think about cleaning back here. So it took a while to wipe off the chairs and spray down and all that. So it's pretty much clean back here now. I'm glad now. I'm happy. So I bet you're happy too, huh, Matrix? I know you'd be happy that I'll be going back in the house. Back up just a little bit. Anyway, just excuse me, guys, for not being the best video photographer. I'm an amateur at this, of course, but I just want to share with you guys that that the mama cat is taking sanctuary, and she's going to look like she's about to sleep and protect her litter all she could from certain predators like dogs and hopefully possums. But I think cats generally will fend off a possum if they need to. Well, she's relaxed now and sleepy. But anyway, guys, what I'm planning on doing is I'm going to, on a weekly basis, instead of doing the video every day, I'm just going to go ahead and produce a video weekly around around Friday every week, so you can expect it. And then maybe I'll produce the video series until the litter gets grown or weaned at 6 to 8 weeks, and then they go off and don't stay around anymore. But anyway, guys, if you like this channel, please subscribe, and also please like and comment. All right, goodbye for now, and also happy Memorial Day.